So, hello Dwayne. I'm you. 2026 you. Ano ba? I mean, I'm your version year of 2026. And Dwayne, I just want to tell you that I've been struggling with our health. Sisimula na akong tumaba. I began to play volleyball. Yeah, I improved in volleyball. We improved playing volleyball. Pero yung katawan na kasi natin mismo yung umaaray na. Yung tipong, yes, you. Ikaw, ngayon 2026, kaya mo na maglaro as opener eh. Ang tagal mong naging 4 atlas, pero ngayon, naging opener ka na. Nakakapag yun. It's just that, umaaray na kasi yung katawan natin brain. And we face a lot of things that needs to be addressed. First of all, we need to lose weight. And I won't let you down because this will be the last time that you'll see this version of me that is fat, that has a lot of sick, and I'm doing everything. I'm going to do anything to save you and to have a better future, and for you to have a better future. Dwayne, before I say the plans that we're going to do this year, I just want to tell you that I'm so proud of you. Because no matter how people drag you down, no matter how people said that magpapayat ka muna, hindi ka mag-i-improve kasi mataba ka. Well, yeah, it's hard to improve with this weight, especially in volleyball, where you can see a lot of players is fit, so they can jump higher, they can move faster when digging a fast ball. Yeah, all that they said is true. But I'm proud of you because no matter what they say, no matter how good some of their advices is, that you still succeed on improving volleyball, and I'm so proud of you. From the guy who's always nalalait, from the guy na akala ng iba hindi na mag-i-improve, ang lalaking maraming beses lang sumusuko, gusto nang sumuko, but I'm so proud of you because no matter how much you struggle, no matter how much you try, everything is that you still succeed. Nakaka-proud ka rin. And this year, I'm having a plan na gusto ko balang araw mapapasalamatan mo ko dahil I made this decision. And Dwayne, naging proud ako sa'yo dahil kahit gaano ka kataba, nagawa mong mag-improve sa volleyball. You even became a hard spiker na dami na rin nagsasabi na talon na lang talaga kulang. Well, look at us. Look at me. Mataba. But I still managed to improve. Now my plan is for you to have a better future. I'm planning to lose some weight. Yes. And not just losing weight. I'm planning to have a full transformation, physical, spiritual, and mental. Kasi, aanhin natin ang magandang katawan, ang magandang pag-iisip kung malayo tayo sa Panginoon. So, with this being said, we're going to give up those sinful things, ano na yung temptation ng last, iiwan na natin yan, ha? Minsan, iniisip natin parang wala siyang epekto sa atin, pero it does, it have. And we don't want to bring it here. We don't want to bring it in 2026. That's why this year will be a year of change and transformation and submission. What's the connection of submission? Submission is fully surrender to God. Hindi pwedeng look what Christian tayo doing. And that's my fault right now. I still fall to my sins. Nafo-fall pa rin ako sa mga kasalanan mo. Sabi ko, di ko na gagawin. But I know you can. So, kaya-kaya mo na balang araw na hindi ka na ganun kadali maaakit ng mga kaaway. Hindi ka na ganun kadali maakit ng mga kasalanan. Because you already submit and surrendered to God. Not because you want to earn His love, but you already learned and understood that God has already loved you. And by doing sins, nasasaktan natin siya. And we don't want that. Pag mahal natin ang isang tao, gusto na natin nasasaktan mo. That's why Dwayne, I just want to tell you that this year will be a year of change. Para to sa kakabutin mo. Kasi I know, this version na nakikita mo ngayon sa video, mawawala na to. For you to have a better future. Kaya Dwayne, huwag kang susuko kung kahit gaano man kahirap ang tahakin mo this year, nakaka-stress na school, don't forget your plan. Because itong plano mo na to, itong plano natin na to ay submitted na to kay God. Na pinagdasal ko, nakasama natin siya sa plano ito. I want you to have the same hard work way back then nung nakayanan mo magpapayat during your high school days. Ibabalik natin yun. For you, again, for you to have a better future. Kasi, etong Dwayne na napapanood mo ngayon, hirap na hirap na sa lahat eh. Ang dali lang hingalin. Aminin man natin o hindi, maasim na ulit. Nangingitim na ang batok. Laking harang na uli. Lumilipis ang buhok. Nagkakaroon ng eksema sa balat. So if you realize this version of you ngayon, this is the worst version of yourself. And I'm not letting ourselves down today, but I just want you to realize that I'm going to do anything for you or I to have a better future. A better version na hindi mo nakaba, wala nang gaino, wala nang eksema, hindi na manipis ang buhok, hindi na ikit ang bako. Siyempre, plano ko na rin na umuwi ka. Yeah. Future Dwayne, planado ko na gusto kong pumuwi ka rin na future. And besides from that, ang pinaka-primary reason when I choose to lose some weight is that yung nga, ulit yung sinasabi for you to have a better future. A better future kung saan malayo na sa sakit, gaano man katamad ang panahon, is that magagawa at magagawan ka rin ng paraan para mag-work out, mag-ehersisyo para sa katawan, para di na ulit magkasakit. And my future self, Dwayne, if you're listening, this version of Dwayne na nakikita mo ngayon, mawawala man ako in the future because ikaw na yung uusbong, ikaw na yung mas nakikilala, ikaw na yung mas nakikilala ng inspirasyon sa mga iba pang natatamang tao. Always remember this. Mahalin mo sarili mo, ha? I do. Mahal na mahal kong sarili ko ngayon. It's just that napabayaan ko because masyado akong reluctant sa sarili ko. And I know mas marami ka pang magagawa, lalo na pagpayat ka na. Pero don't forget na you are still doing na mapagmahal, humble, yung doing na malibog. Iwanan natin to ngayon. Kasi ang pagiging malibog natin, yan ang hindrance. Ito ang hindrance sa atin sa magandang purpose na binibigay sa atin ni Lord. Iwanan natin yung pagiging malibog. Hindi makakatulong yan. Huwag mo kakalimutan yung mga kaibigan mo ang tumulong sa'yo. Kasi mawawala man ako na version mo. Pero we have in commons na hindi mawawala. Mapagmahal sa Diyos, pananampalataya, lahat, pananampalataya at papuri sa Diyos, mawawala. Pagmamahal sa sarili, pagmamahal sa pamilya. Dwayne, I have these 3 things to me right now. That I pray and I wish na yung bagong Dwayne na uusbong, which is yun, nanonood ngayon, ay hindi mawawala tong tatlong to sa'yo. Okay? Kahit pogi ka na, kahit anong tukso ng marami sa'yo, wag mawawala yun sa'yo, Dwayne, ha? Kasi these 3 things, love to God, love to myself, love to my family, ito ang tatlong rason kung bakit I'm planning to lose weight and for you to have a better future. Kaya Dwayne, future Dwayne, do anything that you love, but always keep in mind that do everything according to God's will, okay? Dwayne, I'm looking forward to your progress, and kung wala man itong version mo mataba, yes, masasabi ko, proud na proud ako sa iyo kung ano man magiging outcome mo soon. Siguro babalik pa rin itong version na ito pag tatay na. Huwag naman. Kasi pag tatay na, dapat mas healthy para mas makasama ka ng pamilya at yung mga anak kasi. So future Dwayne, you have 1 year. I have 1 year para umusbong ka. Going to do anything to change my lifestyle, to change everything para ang bagong Dwayne, ikaw na nanonood, ay uusbong. Gusto ko darating ang araw pagkatapos ang 2026, pasasalamatan mo ko. Pasasalamatan natin ang Diyos dahil sinamahan niya tayo sa plano kong ito. Huwag mo kong kakakalimutan, Dwayne, ha? And I'm looking forward for a transformation na pinaplano natin. Again, Dwayne, I'm so proud of you. I really am. From those heartbreaks and everything, all the burdens, ating sakit, ilagay mo na sa taas, You already surrendered it to Jesus. Sadyang, hirapan na tayo sa last issue natin. But I'm so proud of you because you've already taken the right path na nagkaroon ka na ng initiative na magseryoso sa Christian life, na hindi na maging lukewarm Christian. I'm so proud of you, Glenn. I'm so proud of your dedication sa Bible na kahit maraming tao ang hindi sumusuporta, like my family, maraming tao, ninanait ako kasi napakaputso ko na ang iba sasabihan pa tayo na bayan, tagal-tagal lang naglalaro, wala pa rin. That hurts pala, sorry, that hurts actually. Pero look, tignan mo kung ano na ako ngayon. Nakakaya ko na mag-open, kaya ko na rin mag-setter. Depensa lang. I-valid mo yung depensa, perfect mo na rin yun. So, kasama ko sa plano natin. Doing, I know 2026 might be hard because third year ka na, sasabay pang OJT. Don't take those hardships as magpapahirap sa'yo o maging hindrance sa plano natin, maging hindrance sa purpose sa'yo ni Lord. Take these things as challenges na kaya mong ma-overcome. Okay? Alam ko napagod ka na dati sa OJT sa Boko Jing. Pero kayanin mo kung gano'n yung kahirap ang OJT na narating this year. Na kahit gano'n man kahirap, kaya mong i-maintain information natin, hindi mawawalan ng devotion kay God. Magpakatatag ka rin. Sadyang ang buhay hindi talaga madali. Sadyang mahirap talaga lahat. Yeah, mahirap talaga lahat. Pero the Holy Spirit always keep reminding us, walang masama kung ang Kristiyano ay magpahinga, pero ang sumuko, hindi sinabi ng Panginoon na sumuko tayo. The Bible doesn't even want us to give up. Kasi kailanman hindi gawain ng isang anak ng Diyos at isang Kristiyano na sumuko. Okay? Kaya din, mo yan. Gagawin natin lahat para ikaw ay ulit sumulit. Okay? I'm so very, very proud of you. And mas mapaproud pa ako sa ilalo kapag natupad at na-accomplish natin itong plan na ito. Okay? Hindi lang tayo mapapapogi. Kundi, maging pogi rin tayo sa mata ng Panginoon. Pogi in a way na magiging proud ang Panginoon sa atin. Sa kung ano ang kinahinatnan natin. Pogi ka naman din. Pero alamin mo at isa-isip mo na itong version mo na to, kahit pogi na ngayon, ay uusbong ka na mas pogi sa akin ngayon. Dwayne, I'm so proud of you and sasamahan kita and kasama natin si Lord sa plan natin na to. And Dwayne, don't ever think of giving up. Kaya mo to. And I'm going to start it by tomorrow. I love you, Dwayne. Mawala man tong version mo na to, at least ikaw, ang mas better version ko ay uusbong. We can do this. Okay? Bye.